Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a payroll tax filing error in Gusto. So let's start with the first step, which is to log into Gusto and go to taxes. Now a red banner reads tax filing rejected. So you have to click on view rejection details and don't ignore it. So the IRS keeps charging late filing penalties until unaccepted returns land. So next step is read the exact rejection reason. So the filing details page shows the agency, which is IRS, so the filing period and the rejection reason. So the most common ones are EIN does not match IRS records. So business name mismatch and signature authorization missing. So take note the exact wording. It tells you which field is to fix. Next is correct your company tax details. So go to settings, tap on company details and tax details. So type your legal business name, 9-digit federal EIN, and filing address exactly as they appear on your IRS CP 575 or 147C letter, including punctuation like INC or LLC, or the state tax ID2, then click on Save after. Next is resubmit the form. So back in Taxes, open the rejected form and click Resubmit. So review the summary of amounts, the total taxes, payments, the balance due. So you have to tick the confirmation checkbox and hit Submit. So Gusto refiles it with the IRS as corrected return at no extra charge. Lastly is confirm the IRS accepted it. So acceptance usually posts within 48 or 24 hours. So the form flips to a green accepted badge with a confirmation number and acceptance timestamp. So download the return PDF and keep it with your records. So the confirmation number is your proof of timely filing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!